Doing 80 in a Jeep Renegade? Diabolical. Body owner. Got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Today we gonna have a young lady that's gonna learn a very, very important lesson. Never, ever let a diabolican drive your Jeep Renegade because you get a Renegadian. You can't let them drive your stuff, ladies. You gotta stay away from the hood boogers. Leave the hood boogers alone, or you're gonna be in a situation just like this beautiful young suburban girl. Can the boys in blue calm this wild Jeep Renegadian down, or would a Jeep Renegadian make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Oh, is he at the? Oh, I thought he was gonna go after the. Which one of these cars is he going after? Oh, he going after the Jeep Renegade. Y'all remember in Batman versus Superman when Batman was watching Superman fight and the buildings started coming down and Batman ran and jumped in the all black Jeep Renegade? I said, why would Batman be jumping in the Jeep Renegade of all vehicles? A multi-billionaire, and he ran and jumped in the Jeep Renegade. He riding through Metropolis in a Renegade. Get out of here, man. Never would Batman do such a thing.
Southbound on Steve Car.
They got sound, y'all. They got their flashers on. They trying to act like they having vehicle problems. You ain't having no vehicle problems. Get out of here. Then again, it is a Jeep Renegade. Notorious for being unreliable.
Evening shade, is that going to be our spot?
Why would anybody buy a Jeep Renegade? Baffling. Come on, man. Pull over, lawbreaker. Oh, they hard-headed. Are you hard-headed? Let me turn the sirens on. Maybe you hear. Maybe you'll pull over these.
Far enough, bro.
I feel a yabba coming on. Oh, it's on and popping. Yabba dabba doo. Out of here. We don't care. In a Jeep Renegade doing 60 miles an hour. Oh. Doing 80 in a Jeep Renegade? Diabolical. Body on earth, foot in hell. Barbecue feet is on the menu. He's flying in that bad boy. Oh, he lost it. Oh, he hit the telephone pole. Oh, my goodness. Oh, the lady flew out. Ejecto seat. Oh, he's still up. Diabolic and on the run. He got Renegade feet. Go get him. He getting footy.
Find him. Find him. Keep an eye on him.
I did not know Jeep Renegades came with ejecto seats. Nasty work.
Stay still. Stay still. Stay still. Yes, ma'am. What's hurting on you?
Everything.
Okay. Okay. Stay still.
That's crazy. Ejected from the car. She must have didn't have her seatbelt on.
Stop, bro.
You got one ejected, and the driver went off behind, just east of me. I'll get it straight.
He left me go.
He left his lady to fend for herself. Nasty work. That's why you don't mess with diabolicans.
EMS isn't around, okay? Everything's hurting on you?
I can't. I don't want to move.
No, don't.
No, definitely don't move.
Please, bro. What's some stuff?
No, not really. Y'all can head.
Okay.
Just hang tight, okay?
She look like she pretty too, man. Look like she got a nice body and everything. That's crazy.
What was he wearing? Gray hoodie, had a backpack. What color was the backpack? Tan backpack. Pants? Short pants.
Look at Nosy Ned and Nosy Nancy.
He also had a ponytail, and the witnesses advised possible firearm.
Oh my fucking God.
Nasty work when you leave your girl like that.
Coming. I just want you to hang tight, okay?
I wouldn't have left my lady. I'm just gonna have to go to jail. I ain't leaving her. I gotta make sure she alright.
Ow. I told him to stop.
Just hang tight. Just.
I can't, please. I can't.
I can't. I'm not going to move you.
Oh my God. I can't.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's crazy. He told her he loved her and he hit the ejecto seat button. I love you, baby. Hood booger love, man.
I know.
Bro, I can't. I'm gonna freak out. I can't. Bro, this must just happen.
Y'all suburban ladies gotta stay away from the hood boogers. Stay away from the hood boogers.
No, don't move.
I can't.
I know. Well, don't move.
Where the ambulance at? What are we doing here?
Yes, man. I got you. Hang on.
Oh my god. Oh, I can't.
No.
No, don't move, baby. Don't move.
Please.
I'm doing the best I can.
I'm freaking the fuck. Oh my god, bro.
Well, if Ava has a canine, we could use them as well.
So the ambulance just ain't gonna come?
Do you have a name?
Zoe.
Zoe, what's your life
Zoe
name?
Wilson. I already know. You know the drill. It's 10:08:06. Please. Oh my god, my back.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, she definitely put a towel on him.
So
Is
we'll
he
bring
finna
that
take a
back
statement
there,
at a
okay?
time
We're
like
trying to-
this?
Oh, I'm scared.
No, you think EMS is coming? It says Zoe Wilson?
Yes, bro, please. I'm scared.
Yes, EMS is right there.
I'm scared.
What's your birthday again? Talk to
10:08:06.
100806.
Yes. I'm scared.
Who were you in the car with?
It's stolen.
Huh?
Dustin Pullman.
Dustin Paulman?
Yes.
Oh, she just snitched on you, Justin.
How you spell
And I don't blame her. I would have told on your ass too.
Hit
Hit the ejecto seat on me.
Looking for him, okay?
Well, possible suspect if Ava knows who he is. Dustin Paulman.
Oh my god,
P-U-L-M-A-N.
bro.
They're right there, okay?
Justin Pullman.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my
A
god.
white diabolican. We all can be diabolicans. It don't matter what skin color we got. We all can be diabolicans.
Huh?
Is it bad?
It didn't look good.
No, stop. Oh my god, bro.
Where is EMS? Luckily, she's strong-willed it.
See if Ava will-
Man, it took him forever to even get there. That's crazy.
No. I told him no.
Justin, I don't even know why you running, baby. She told on you. They'll catch you later. They gonna get you.
She was ejected out of the car. She was? Yeah, she was ejected out of the car whenever it rolled. Is there another one? Yes, we got told too. Yeah, well, he took off running. I was chasing him. Okay, so he's on foot? Yep.
You did not chase him, Randall. You tried and then you turned around. Why you lie like that, my boy? You chased him for 2.3 seconds and turned around. They knew he shouldn't have been going fast in that Jeep Renegade anyway. What the tires rated on that? Speed rated for what? 75, 80 miles an hour? He doing 100 in a Renegade.
Fucking Jeep.
Treacherous activities.
Sorry, I didn't mean to use that word. Yeah. Here said they didn't see where he ran through. But he ran behind this building here.
Nasty work when you leave your lady like that, man. You gotta watch who you love. Got to.
Gray sweatshirt, tan backpack, I think maybe tan shorts. They said he might have had a gun in his hand, so he took off at that street, went up behind that house, and went like up in there somewhere. They said they never saw anybody come through there. So white or black? White male has a ponytail.
She ain't moved her legs the whole time, man.
Dustin Pullman?
Yeah.
Dustin Pullman, he took off running, possibly has a gun.
Yeah.
I haven't saw her move her legs yet.
That name sounds familiar, so. Huh? Yeah.
I hope she ain't paralyzed.
No, that's perfect. That's perfect. I couldn't leave her, so.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
So, what had they done?
Don't know yet.
Don't know yet?
They just started running from me back there, so I don't know yet.
Okay.
I'm sure with the backpack and everything else, probably drugs.
Heck yeah, he had them narcotics in there in that backpack. You thought he was gonna leave those? He cared more about those drugs than he did his girlfriend. Meet me in the comments. Running from the police in a Jeep Renegade. Sinister. Never, ever would I be running away in a Jeep Renegade. I didn't even know those things could get to 100 miles an hour till today. I was today years old when I realized a Jeep Renegade could do over 100 miles an hour. but I don't think the tires on it was speed rated for over 100. But yeah, this is what happens when you get a boyfriend or a friend that's a diabolican. All they care about is themselves. He cared more about the drugs than he did about the young lady on the passenger seat. But we could say he did care about her because he hit the ejecto seat button to get her out of the situation. So we technically can't say he didn't care about her because he did hit the ejecto seat button on her. Listen, this right here. Look, check this out right here. This is how fast they was going down in Hood Boogerville. Look, they was doing 64 miles an hour, got it all the way up to 60. Or he doing 70, flying in a Jeep Renegade. This is nasty work right here. 83. He got it over 85, so he doing 90 right now. He do about 95. Look at it. He moving in a Jeep Renegade. Look at it. He got his foot all the way down the hill. Boom, at 100 miles an hour, he lost it. Ejecto seat. Get out of here, baby girl. That's how you know. Very unreliable vehicle. This right here should tell you if you want to get a Jeep Renegade, absolutely not. Do not get a Jeep. At 100 miles an hour, it can no longer control itself. Allegedly. I mean, we got to say allegedly, but we did just watch it lose control the minute it hit 100. That is 100 miles an hour. Nasty work. Listen here, young ladies. Listen. You see that lady right there laying on the concrete right there? She was messing with a diabolican. This is what happens when you mess with a diabolican. You're left on the side of the road, stranded, hurt, and discombobulated because you chose a diabolican as a lover or a friend. Stay away from the diabolicans. This should be a very, very teachable moment for y'all. If you are a suburban girl or just any girl, but we can tell she was a suburban girl, do not, I repeat, do not hand your keys over to a diabolican because this is what's going to happen. Do I feel sorry for the young lady? Yes. But she knew what she got into. She knew she was messing with a diabolican. And she knew he did not care, not one bit, about her life. He left her to fend for herself. Horrible, horrible. But it is what it is. Learning lesson. You got to watch who you hang with. Matter of fact, let's go straight to the positivity. Stop hanging around the wrong type of people. Stop choosing to love the wrong type of people. This right here is a prime example of loving the wrong type of person. She probably cared for this person more than that person cared for her. You know how much that person cared for her? He grabbed the bag of drugs before he even thought to check on her. We saw it. We witnessed it live on T-Light Cam, a.k.a. LRH in Cash. Shout out to my boy. We saw it. This is what happens when you mess with a diabolican. Stop it. Your life. Listen, you take that. Get your ass out of my head, Francisco. Get out of my head. Get Francisco out your head. And put your brain back in there. It could save your life. But with that being said, we're going to slide on up out of here. Hopefully this young lady is okay. Well, she moving, so she got to be okay. She probably heartbroken. She thought she had a good man. She realized she didn't. She had a diabolican. You like that? She thought she had a good man, but she realized she had a diabolican. But with that being said, we're going to slide on up out of here. I love y'all. Make sure y'all put those werewolves in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video. I said share this video for the werewolf pack so we can grow. We're growing at an exponential rate. Let's make sure we're growing at an insane rate. Share the video, and I need to see those werewolves in the comments. I said I need to see those werewolves in the comments. Give me a werewolf emoji. If you don't know how to get a werewolf emoji, put wolf, and an emoji will pop up. But with that being said, we got to slide on up out of here. But hey, we do not condone running from the police. Absolutely not. We don't condone it. But we know somebody gonna do it. And if you just so happen to be that one person that said you gonna do it, you gonna run, Forrest, run. Run with your goofy ass, run. If you decide to run and you happen to be in a Jeep Renegade, remember, they come with ejecto seats.